A lot goes into sending, receiving, and managing emails, including more than one protocol. In this video, we explore the roles of IMAP and SMTP protocols and discuss their key differences. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, better known as SMTP, is the standard protocol used for sending emails across the internet. In this process, an email client connects and sends a message to an SMTP server. The server then uses a mail transfer agent to check if the domain name of the recipient and the sender is the same. If it's not, SMTP will communicate with the domain name system to retrieve the recipient's IP address and send the email to the correct recipient server. IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, on the other hand, is a communication protocol for retrieving and managing emails stored on an email server. With IMAP, email clients can reach remote email servers, and this protocol is particularly useful for users who want to access their emails across multiple devices simultaneously. So, what's the difference between IMAP and SMTP? The difference is in the part they play in the email communication process. You see, SMTP is used for sending emails, and IMAP for receiving them. SMTP is responsible for getting emails to recipient servers with the help of mail transfer agents and the domain name system so they can be accessed and manipulated using IMAP. When it comes to IMAP, it's there to enable reading, organizing, and managing emails that have already been delivered to an email server. It does not participate in the actual delivery of emails from the sender to the recipient. And that's all for our brief overview of IMAP and SMTP. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!